But this is the first time in 30 years working as a vet and with wild animals to see a crying elephant. So this was touching for me to see this elephant really need attention, need help. It's not the story he is aggressive or the story really he is bored, he's alone, he won't take any interaction. In the past, what I can say, it was cruelty to have elephant chained in such a small room 24/7. This was not appropriate to treat ambassador of the jungle here. My name is Amir Khalil. I'm a veterinary doctor working for Forbos International, an international animal welfare organization. Here is a team from Forbos, including myself leading the team, with the main objective to support the court decision to evacuate the captive animal at the zoo and to make a medical health assessment about Kavan, the Asian elephant, the last Asian elephant in Pakistan, and to decide if this elephant is possible also to be relocated outside to a sanctuary or his health condition will not allow it. Kavan was over 32 years chained here. He lost his female partner 8 years ago due to gangrene or inflammation in the leg, bacterial one. Kavan facing a lot of problems when I visited him 2016, from mental disturbance, from cracks on the nail, no enrichment. The elephant was aggressive. The elephant have also case history with really problem with the mahout, so the mahout is afraid to approach him. 2020 we arrived here after the court order and due to the death case of 2 lions during relocation. We found the situation get worse with the elephants. So the elephant's overweight is 5.5 tons. He was eating over 220 kilogram sugar cane per day, which is incredible. The elephant, his nail problem getting bigger. His physical behavior or mental behavior is more aggressive. This elephant is a killer. So really it was a lot of serious problem, but mainly regarding safety of the enclosure. This mats here, which is surrounding, if the elephant fall down, it's very risky and dangerous for the elephant to die or to have fracture in his leg. There is no medical facility at the zoo, no experienced staff who are able to deal with the elephant. He's a wild animal, number 1. He's not pet or domestic animal. Number 2, I had the opportunity to stay about 4 weeks with Kavan. He was also not accepting me. He don't accept any humans in general at this time, but due to I was bored like him, I stayed also 4 hours to keep him with food. I start to sing and I realized he likes the music and like my ugly voice. So he have a bad taste. Maybe this is the only thing we share together. Much more than this, I did it. We love them, but we have to respect them, to respect the rules. Even what I do, I might say, it's risky. I have to be aware and prepared. Any small movement, he's 5.5 tons. Even he want to play, his game is very heavy game. I'm happy to have such a friend, powerful friend, and I'm happy to have a big fan like him. So I am really very glad to have a fan, somebody like my voice, which you know I like. So the team from Forbos were able in the last weeks to examine Kavan, to take the blood samples, to examine him physically, to take all the needed measurement, and we find that the elephant is physically good. He's able to be relocated. He can manage during this type of transfer with a special airplane to a sanctuary in Cambodia. I think Islamabad and the children in Islamabad deserve to have a proper zoo, a proper sanctuary, a proper education place, but not to enjoy the cruelty of others. What happened with Kavan and to me, and with this try with his rustle to touch me or his trunk to touch me and to smell and to play with this. He play hide and seek. He's just a huge child, and I am the same. So we are both children. So we try to play, and I think this animal worked over 35 years, so it's time to retire. And I wish really I will do everything for him to give him the opportunity not to be a friend with human, but to be back to be an elephant with other elephants.